Chambo Kenya. Chambo Kenya is a platform where we unpacked Kenya, not try Kenyan stories, Kenyan narratives, you know. So these are platform that tumekuwa tukiwakia for some time, and nashukuru God but that ameifanya after all those years, amefanya what anafaa kufanya on Chambo KE. So Chambo KE tumekuwa na some very amazing highlights in 2025. Tulikuwa chosen with the CNN Academy, where I was trained on digital storytelling, AI, deepfakes, fake news, and how to differentiate between deepfakes and the original. Because when I say like any AI, there's a lot of AI, there's a lot of deep fake videos. So CNN network na tulifanya amazing projects on basically news presentation, digital news presentation, storytelling, digital storytelling, and ilikuwa something amazing sana, and tulikuwa it was something amazing sana. Then pia on the other hand, Witness organization pia we were chosen amongst 12 journalists in East and Central Africa, investigative journalists, where tulikuwa trained on open source intelligence, how investigative tools, how AI, how to use these tools for factual information, basically tufundishwa on how to have evidence-based story. Unafanya story that watu wanaweza rely on, ufanye tuma propaganda, you do hata kani news now, and trustworthy in factual news. So that was part of something amazing sana that they learn through the program with Witness organization. I'm still working with Witness on a project that will drop some times next year, and I really want to take the opportunity to thank the Witness team for the opportunity to train me on those aspects. We did a lot of CSR project pia. Hii mwaka pia tulitembelea children's home kadhaa, tulikuwa Korokocho children's home, where tuliweza kutrain some kids on basics of camera work, digital storytelling, poetry, just to keep them busy and to give them something that if they're talented, they'll use as a source of making income. So we did a lot this year, and nashukuru Mungu that alikuwa na sisi, and all the support that we received from Kenyans and everyone. So kama still uja follow Chambo KE, kindly enda pale kwa YouTube, tafuta Chambo KE TV, all digital platform, TikTok tunapata kama Chambo KE TV, and as we are planning for great things to come in 2026. So many just to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Tuonane 2026 when we'll have some amazing things to show you. Thank you.